Hello all, this is our new Chipper model. It's been released for a few months, but this is the first tour video, walkthrough video. Now, first version was a full-time living version with a permanent bunk in it and stuff. This is the B&B version, so it's a little bit stripped back, and yeah, it's come up really good. So yeah, we'll show you around. First of all, while we're on the outside, you have basalt, and this is matte. Standard finish is the matte finish. The front you have Luna wood, which is heat treated timber to make it weatherproof, and it's got marine varnish on it. Our standard drawbar, so these are built by ourselves, and the drawbar as standard is removable, so 4 big bolts underneath. You undo them and you can put the drawbar out of the way, just for a neater, cleaner look. So this one has a back door. You see that from the inside as well. So you could have a deck on the back side of the house, or a set of stairs with say a carport or a car park, and then the other side be the main entrance, or vice versa. Put a deck on both sides. So it allows for a bit of flexibility. Plus maybe you could build an extension on the side here at some point if you ever needed to expand. There's a few ideas. You got a kitchen window. All the windows are awning windows, so they open up like so. So it means you can have windows open while it's raining. So that's helpful. You can see your vents there, so we vent the any moisture and gases out of the house, so no recirculation junk. So that one's for your kitchen, that one's for your bathroom. So you've got your dual axles, the wheels, tires, they're all load rated for the given house. And legally now these are a caravan, so you've got everything you need to comply. All the weights and the strengths and the engineering and the lights and the heights and all the rest all complies as a caravan, legally speaking, so that makes it very handy. Got your lights here at the back, LED lights, all part of your ADR road registerable stuff. Now you have hot water, electric hot water. It's a nice 50 litre tank, very nice unit, and this is got a 1.8 kilowatt heating element in it, so it's kind of nice and low. It's good for the job. But if you are off grid, because it's a 1.8, which is relatively low, it's as low as you're going to get really, this lends itself to off grid, to batteries, whatnot. And we always have a switch inside, I'll show you that later, to isolate that. If you're off grid and you want to watch your batteries over some rainy couple of days, you know. Air conditioner, Panasonic, I've been using these for years, fantastic devices. You've got your power box there, so you have an internal 15 amp inlet underneath the house. And yeah, that's pretty much the outside of the house. I will show you inside. Got a lovely LED light here. So all the lights as standard are LED. Let's have a look. So coming in, this house, even though it's only 5 meters long, it's really, it feels really quite spacious. It's very, very nice. Now, you have a big sofa bed. This actually pulls out this way, and it kind of has a sideways bed. So when the bed is out, you can still actually get in and out of this door here, as well as the main door, obviously. So it works well. This could be a studio, it could be guest accommodation, it could be for teenage living, multiple purposes, very handy. And you've got a spot for TV there. You got your blinds, and then again, that's your awning windows. It works well. Now, if you look carefully, you'll see the house is lined with architectural ply. This is a birch ply, very premium product, very nice. And that gets treated with a clear finish, just to maintain that beauty. Now, all the glass doors, these are all premium, by the way. We have a local builder who makes these here, and they do a really fantastic job, I must say. And you've got tempered glass, toughened glass. And then if you look at the floor, you'll see this is real timber, this is real oak. It's an engineered floor, but engineered doesn't mean that it's a hybrid. It doesn't mean that it's made out of plastic or whatnot. It is real timber. So you've got about a 3 or 4 millimeter layer of solid oak on top, and then below that the substrate timber is a softwood timber, and it's built in such a way to make it very stable. So beautiful floor, beautiful timber, and obviously it's black. Now we glue it down to our structural ply floor, which is an Aussie ply, very good quality, great stuff. And below that is actually insulation, standard. We insulate our floors, and that gets sandwiched in between our chassis and our floor. So works really well. And gluing it down makes it very solid, makes it very nice underfoot. So you got a lovely little kitchenette here. You got cupboards, you've got your extraction over here, and then you actually have a mini pantry, and then all your soft close drawers here. You've got a little bin comes out. It's just got recycle and landfill in it. Fridge, and then a little induction cooker. It's 10 amp as well, so it lends itself to potential off-grid, just to lower those potential maximum draw of electricity. Got a nice little dining table here, so this is just a good idea of what you can do with the space. It allows you to seat 2 people. This could be a little office space for you as well, just to have lunch. And yeah, table for 2. Air conditioner there, reverse cycle, of course. Now these are probably one of the smallest that Panasonic do. So again, off-grid, very small house. It's very well insulated, fully insulated, the walls as well as the floor. So this doesn't use that much electricity either way. And maximum they only draw about 1 kilowatt, just FYI. So in the bathroom here, you've got a lovely sliding door. So close that for much needed privacy. And then in here you've got a lovely shower area. Now this is a 900 by 900, so plenty big. And yeah, nice high rosette there. You don't have any restrictions with the height for example mezzanines. And you've got a good little storage cupboard in here, so that's nice. And then a toilet. Now this is a compost toilet. This is the top half of a compost toilet. It's not actually cut in currently, but people often ask, what toilet do you get? The answer is whatever you need. So whether it's a normal flush toilet, that's fine. Our houses by default will come standard with one, and then if you opt for either no toilet or if you opt for composting toilet, we will then supply no toilet. So it's ready for when you get on site to install. Lovely little sink unit here, and a light mirror. We've been using these for a long time, and they are great lights, actually. Really good mirror. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching our little tour video of the Chipper. And Sarah's just pointed out here, this is the switch for your hot water, so you can isolate it for ease. And then after that, we have the lights. They're pretty cool. So you turn them off, it looks like a black trim, and then hit the light, boom, it's your light. So nice and neat, I reckon. This house has all the blinds opted in, so you've got maximum privacy as well, curtains for the door. So yeah, great for Airbnb. Could be full-time living as long as you've got access to a washing machine. The other version of the Chipper actually has a washing machine and a fridge, washer dryer, fridge, and a dishwasher. It's got maximum everything, as well as a kind of a bunk bed up about this height. And yeah, that's your full-time living one. So thanks again, and if you like this house, you like what you see, don't hesitate to get in touch. You can email, ring, or message via messenger or whatnot. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.